StormMeister was founded in 2010 when our director Malcolm was an engineer out in Nigeria, and he was inspired by the tropical rain and the hydrodynamics of using the flood water to engage the flood seal. So rather than a compression seal, ours expands and contracts as the flood water rises. So that makes it more accessible, the handle force is less and it's easier to get in and out when the flood water is not there. We are the only UK patented company that use that active flood seal yet. The customer will come to us with an inquiry, what they're looking for, their anticipated flood water. We'll then send an engineer out to survey it, and I'll get the measurements and all the details back and start putting together an engineering drawing based off a 3D CAD model of what they're looking to get. And then I can send that to them as a PDF, or we can post it along with the brochures and all the options as well. We'll order the door base of the drawing from a partner, an external partner. We colour finish them in-house, we apply all our active flood seals to the door, and then we send it out to the customer. We do international exports as well. But we're also involved in the installation and maintenance side of it as well, so there's a longer warranty, and just make sure that the customers are cared for in what can be quite a traumatic crisis if they've had a flood, or preventing one from happening. When I joined the company, they've had SOLIDWORKS. I think they've had it for a few years now. Before then, I think we did a few hand drawings, but nothing major. But obviously, with everything going more online, it's a lot easier to then work with customers that live further away and give them an idea of what they're getting earlier on in the process, and just speeds that side of it along. I mostly use SOLIDWORKS to create 3D models of our products. I find it to be really user-friendly. It's what I learned at university and what I'm used to using. I do think the controls and just the way it's laid out is quite intuitive to how you go about building the model in the first place. Everything does what it says on the tin. We've also been looking into doing some simulations just to demonstrate our product a little bit further for new customers and inquiries, and just showing how much flood water it really can protect against. So it's quite exciting. The most difficult part with SOLIDWORKS was all the intricate parts in our products and getting them together, but with the help of the mate function and doing sub-assemblies, I can fast track those picky bits that would normally take me quite a long time. So if I have like the threshold, for example, I can just change the length and then it's done, rather than doing all the profile and everything again. SOLIDWORKS has definitely streamlined the process. We do a large range of products, and as well they're bespoke to each customer. So now I've got a base of all the parts and products that I can then just go in, change the measurements for each customer, and it's made it a lot quicker, a lot more accurate as well, because I know I don't have to keep recreating the same details. And yeah, it also helps the decision process for the customer go a lot quicker when they can see it visually and see all the different options in front of them.